Reliant Water Technologies has developed a very unique water-moving aerator for use in the rehabilitation of lagoons, ponds, and other shallow water bodies. The problem with these shallow water bodies is that they do not have flow. Consequently, without flow, any organic waste that falls to the bottom of these bodies of water eventually rots and causes odor, and they will ultimately fill up with debris, or sludge. This organic sludge buildup is especially a problem in wastewater lagoons. Engineers initially attempted utilizing anaerobic bacteria for the purpose of breaking down the organic sludge. Then, they added surface aerators to change the bacteria to aerobic populations. But the violence and excessive turbulence of surface aerators just caused more problems, with the sludge piling up into mounds, thereby trapping nitrogen, ammonia, and H2S in the sludge. Today, almost all wastewater lagoons are found to have up to 60% organic content in the bottom sludge. The Reliant Model WQA Lagoon Master Water Moving Aerator resolved this sludge buildup problem by constantly and slowly using the weight of water to fluidize the sludge on the bottom of the lagoon, or body of water. As long as the pressure is maintained behind the moving water, and there is a levee or shore to reverse the flow, the aerator will pull that water back through itself. It moves over 9 million gallons of water per day through itself. But there is much more happening to the sludge, and because lagoons usually have a high algae content and poor water quality, photographing this sludge fluidation is impossible. Recently, a video was made of a Model WQA Lagoon Master operating in the Taihape Wastewater Lagoon of the Rangitikei District Council in New Zealand. This video captured a number of things that prove the underwater movement of the Lagoon Master aerator. The Taihape Lagoon is 8.3 acres in size, with a 1.5 meter depth. 2 aerators were purchased for the lagoon, but at the time of the video, only one had been installed. Notice that the area of influence of the single aerator has smoothed the water in the half of the lagoon in which it has influence. More on that in a moment. But also notice the direction of the flow from the aerator. Then note that approximately 30 meters to the forward left of the aerator is the incoming waste pipe into the lagoon. Notice that wastewater is being pumped into the lagoon at the time of the video. Now, as the camera pans to the left of the pipe, about 25 to 30 meters further downstream of the flow, there is an upwelling of sludge. This upwelling is the rebound of sludge that was disturbed at the bottom of the pipe inlet. If you will follow the video more to the left of the upwelling, you will see that disturbed sludge is still being carried downstream. This is visual proof that the current caused by the Lagoon Master aerator is strong enough to move water and bottom sludge very long distances in front of the aerator. But there is more in this video. Remember the quiescent water on the surface in front of the aerator. This water is quiet because the moving water at the sludge level of the lagoon, at 1.5 meters deep, is actually causing an undertow on the surface of the lagoon. This undertow pulls algae out of the photozone, thinning the algae population of the lagoon. You will also see small individual ripples breaking the quiet water far in front of the aerator. These ripples are caused by nitrogen or ammonia bubbles that are being released from the sludge throughout the affected area of the Lagoon Master aerator. So, for the first time, we have visual proof that the Reliant Water Model WQA Lagoon Master Water Moving Aerator does utilize moving water to fluidize the sludge, thereby allowing for the natural bacteria in the sludge to digest the organic contents while allowing the waste nitrogen and ammonia to escape and oxidize. At the same time, the moving water on the bottom of the lagoon causes an undertow from the surface, and this undertow thins algae blooms and does not allow clumps of algae to form on the surface.